the world premiere of the new GTI Clubsport here at the legendary Nürburgring. Finally revealed that beautiful car. It makes a lot of fun, especially on that track where it has been developed. We have 300 horsepower, we have 400 Newton meters of torque, it shifts fast, and of course, it makes huge fun to drive it around. We increased the performance of the car, obviously, by Driving Dynamics Manager. We set everything well together so that the driver can feel the car more, that the driver can pull out some more performance out of the car. At least we also updated some new optical highlights, like, for example, the new illuminated logo, but the all front bumper has a new design, which makes the car very aggressive looking from the front, which is, for me, typical for such a nice car. The car is really great to drive, especially on the Nürburgring, because it's developed here. We have the Nürburgring driving mode, which set up the car especially for that track. That means it gives you some more characteristic for that car on that specific track. And I can tell you I had a lot of fun with that car during the testing days.